eyeballs rolling around. F is for footsteps that don't make a sound. G is for ghosts, all snowy and white. H is for hats, which is wear at night. I is for insects crawling so slow. J is for jack-o'-lanterns glow. K is for kites flying in the air. L is for lanterns hanging everywhere. M is for monsters saying hi. N is for nighttime in the sky. O is for owls who hoot hoo hoo. P is for potions bubbly and blue. Q is for quills on a cool fall night. R is for ravens taking flight. S is for spiders spinning their thread. T is for treats before we go to bed. U is for umbrellas in the rain. V is for vampires on the lane. W is for witches flying so high. X is for X-ray of bones inside. Y is for yawn, it's sleepy, we know. Z is for zombies walking real slow. Now I sang my ABCs. Next time sing them spookily.
All right, little monsters! Pop, pop, pop. When the music plays, you dance. When it stops, you freeze!
Dance like zombies side to side. Drag your feet, take a spooky stride. Move your arms, wiggle your knees.
Music stop, freeze! Now be a bat, flap up high. Swing your wings across the sky. Tiptoe softly through the breeze. Don't sneeze!
Be a skeleton, rattling bones, wiggling fingers, spooky tones. Shake, shake, shake.
Then freeze with ease. Freeze!
Continue until song ends. Kids love it.
For silly little ghosts floating in the night, wearing tiny sheets but not too tight. They giggle and whisper boo boo boo, but every time they scare someone they giggle too. Boo boo boo, we're not scary, it's true. We're just little ghosts saying hi to you. Float to the left, float to the right, laughing little ghosts on Halloween night. They try to be spooky but start to sneeze. A chill goes a ghost behind the trees. They're not mean, they're soft and sweet, waving their sheets at everyone they meet. Boo boo boo, we're not scary, it's true. We're just little ghosts saying hi to you. Float to the left, float to the right, laughing little ghosts on Halloween night. Five little pumpkins sitting on a gate. The first one said, oh my, it's getting late. The second one said, there are witches in the air. The third one said, but we don't care. The fourth one said, let's run and run and run. The fifth one said, I'm ready for some fun. Ooh, went the wind and out went the light, and the five little pumpkins rolled out of sight. Stir the pot, 1, 2, 3. What's that brewing? Let's go see. Bubble, bubble, swirly stew. Purple, green, and monster blue. Furry purple monster wearing daddy's shoes. Tiny green goblin with floppy ears too. A pumpkin-headed kid with a glowing grin spins around shouting, let the fun begin. No one's mean, no one bites, they just love Halloween nights. It's the Midnight Monster Parade. Don't be scared, don't be afraid. Little monsters laugh and play, dancing till the break of day. Stomp your feet, clap your hands, there's spooky parade in all the land. Here comes a skeleton with a top hat tall. Bones go clatter every time he falls. A fluffy blue werewolf munching candy corn. Vampire twins with capes neatly worn. A witch on a scooter zooms down the lane, laughing so hard she drops her cane. They're silly, sweet, and slightly weird. The friendliest monsters you ever cheered. It's a Midnight Monster Parade. Don't be scared, don't be afraid. Little monsters laugh and play, dancing till the break of day. I slid into the haunted house, quiet as a teeny tiny mouse. The door went creak and the floorboards groaned, and somewhere far away a ghosty moaned. But guess what I saw at the top of the stair? Three little ghosts brushing each other's hair. They waved at me with a boo, 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 then giggled and said, we're friendly too. In the haunted house tonight, spooky sounds, but we're alright. Ghosts and goblins laugh and play. No one wants to run away. Tiptoe whispers spin around. Haunted fun in every sound. Down the hallway, what did I see? A bat sipping tea so politely. A mummy knitting scarves of white. A pumpkin reading under candles.